If you're an artist visiting Rome, there's one place you cannot miss. It's the Borghese Gardens and Museum. Here are 5 reasons this magical spot will inspire your sketchbook, your brush, and maybe even your soul. First, start your day early. Wander through the park in the quiet morning light before the gallery opens. The shifting shadows, the soft glow through the trees, it feels like nature has set the stage for your creativity. Second, visit the Valley of the Dogs. Yes, it's a real thing. Locals bring their pups here, and the park comes alive with movement, wagging tails, and a surprising number of Dachshunds. Third, the ceilings inside the Borghese Gallery. They're astonishing. They're so well preserved, so intricate, and they rival the Renaissance masters. I'd even dare say they hold their own against the Sistine Chapel itself. And even though you may leave with a sore neck looking up the entire time, it's going to be worth it, I promise. Fourth, the sculptures. Nowhere else will you find marble that feels like it lives and breathes. In particular, Bernini's works are masterful. Curls of hair, folds of fabric, expressions so real you can almost expect the figures to step off their pedestals. As an artist, you can't help but study the detail. I spent about half an hour at this one in particular. And of course, once you've completed the inside tour of the gallery, the park itself complete with cute little train rides and self-propelled tuk-tuks. Relax for lunch at the local cafe for a glass of wine and a snack or a charcuterie board. You might even walk past a group of folks on horseback. And finally, you're not going to want to miss walking to the Temple of Esculapius. Picture a neoclassical temple reflected in the water, swans drifting past, and yes, the chance to rent a rowboat for just €5. Floating across that pond feels like stepping back in time. It's peaceful, romantic, and utterly inspiring. So whether it's the light, the dogs, the ceilings, the sculptures, or timeless gardens, the Borghese Gallery is a reminder that art is everywhere. Take the time to put this on your list.
Please hit that like, feel free to share, and definitely subscribe for more videos just like this.